Welcome to ITMaster, your ultimate source for tech knowledge and tutorials. Today, we are exploring a topic that's both exciting and shocking. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world faster than ever before. And in 2025, AI is replacing real human jobs, not just assisting them. So let's uncover the 5 real-world jobs that are being replaced by AI right now. Artificial intelligence has become a powerful tool in every field. From writing content to creating videos, AI can do in seconds what humans take hours to finish. But with that power comes a big question: which jobs are in danger, and how fast is AI replacing them? Let's start with job number 1. Job number 1, content writer. This is one of the most affected professions today. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can write blog posts, articles, social media captions, and even YouTube scripts automatically. These tools don't get tired, they don't need breaks, and they can produce thousands of words in minutes. Companies are using these tools to cut costs and speed up their marketing. That means fewer opportunities for beginner writers. However, skilled writers who know how to guide and edit AI content are still in demand. Job number 2, graphic designer. Design used to be a skill that took years to master. But now, tools like Canva Magic Studio, Adobe Firefly, and Midjourney are changing the game. You can describe your idea in a few words, and AI instantly creates stunning visuals, posters, and logos. For small businesses, this is a dream come true. But for freelance designers, it's a big challenge. To stay relevant, designers must learn to combine creativity with AI, using these tools as assistants, not as enemies. Job number 3, video editor. AI video tools like ElevenLabs, Runway ML, and Descript are now capable of editing videos automatically. They can trim clips, remove silences, add subtitles, and even sync background music in minutes. Descript takes this further by letting you edit your video just by editing text. That means even beginners can create professional-looking videos without expensive software or experience. Traditional editors still matter for high-end projects, but AI is clearly taking over simple editing work. Job number 4, customer support agent. In the past, companies needed huge call centers and dozens of support agents. Now, AI chatbots like Intercom AI, Drift, and Chatbase are answering thousands of customer questions every day. They can chat in multiple languages, give instant answers, and work all day and night, without rest. This means faster responses and lower costs for companies. But it also means many entry-level support jobs are disappearing. Still, humans are needed for complex cases where empathy and real understanding matter. Job number 5, voiceover artist. This might surprise you, but AI voices have become so realistic that they can easily replace human narrators. Tools like ElevenLabs, ClipClam, and Synthesia can generate voices that sound clear, emotional, and professional. They're used in tutorials, advertisements, audiobooks, and training videos. For small creators and businesses, this saves both time and money. However, talented voice artists can still thrive by offering unique tones, acting styles, and emotional depth that AI can't fully match. So what does all this mean for us? Should we fear AI? Not really. AI is not ending jobs, it's transforming them. The people who learn to use AI will replace those who don't. Writers can become AI editors. Designers can use AI for faster inspiration. Editors can combine AI automation with storytelling. And voiceover artists can use AI to scale their work globally. It's not about losing your job, it's about upgrading your skills. Thanks for watching ITMaster. If you found this tutorial helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on artificial intelligence, technology, and digital tools. Stay creative, stay curious, and stay ahead of the future.